Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Flip 5, and I can show you top 3 bad themes for this device. In the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher. Download it from the Play Store and let's take a closer look of this launcher. So as you can see, here we have really minimalistic interface. Here we have only apps we need on the home screen, and here we have the alphabetical line to fastly search any application we have on our device. For example, if you want to find the Play Store, just drag your finger to the P button and here you have the Play Store. You want to find the YouTube, drag it to the UI, and here you will see the YouTube or YouTube Music. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Click Get Started, Confirm, Continue, while you need the app, allow everything, and click Confirm. So Smart Launcher 6 is really beautiful launcher. So the most beautiful launcher. It's not too minimalistic like Niagara, but it's minimalistic too. Here we have the smart search that can indexate all files on your device, and it looks great, it works great. This launcher is very fast. Here you have apps grouping features, so applications are automatically grouping by groups, and one of the greatest features of this launcher is the wallpapers gallery. So here we have greatest and the most beautiful wallpaper gallery you can ever see. So just find the wallpaper you wanna set up, click on it, and you have the beautiful wallpapers on your device. So it's really great because wallpapers here are updating every day and they looks really great. So they're incredible. I swear, this is the most beautiful wallpapers you can find in one click. Okay, so cool. And on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. I'll show you why. So Microsoft Launcher basically is not beautiful and looks maybe not good, okay? But just wait for it. Here, as you can see, we have apps on your home screen, One UI Home. So click Continue, and now click Always Allow this app to access widget content. Click Allow, let's go, and what we have see here. Here we see the normal Samsung Launcher. For example, this is the normal Samsung Launcher. This is the Microsoft Launcher, and as you can see, it looks like normal Samsung. My menu looks like a Samsung Launcher, but with alphabetical line, and it's great with the voice search, and with the hide apps features. Great. In the launcher settings, we have gestures. And on the left panel, we have cleanse, where we can set up all our widgets. So why? So if you are downloading the Microsoft Launcher on your any Android device, Microsoft Launcher is not too good looks. It's not beautiful. It's not modern. It looks like old Microsoft Launcher. But Microsoft with the Samsung take a look like a Samsung Launcher, and it's really great. It's beautiful and it's functional, and it's why I like this launcher. So that's it. If you wanna set any of this launcher as default into open settings, then open applications, find here, choose default apps, home app, and find here Niagara Smart or Microsoft Launcher, for example. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.